Hi, ninth grade English 1. This is Ms. Stapp here with your weekly overview of assignments. And look, it's May 11th through May 17th. Great job, everyone. You have made it this far. Now, at the very top, you're going to see I have in yellow, you should attend the Zoom meeting this week because we are hosting a Socratic seminar and it's going to be a part of your assignment. So let's look at that. You need to prepare for this seminar. Just don't go in cold turkey. We provided you with all of the questions. And the first thing you're going to do is read through the questions. And the second thing is make notes. Make notes about answers to the questions. Be sure to include connections to current events, literature, and popular culture to support your ideas. You will not be turning in these notes, but you will use them during the discussion to speak and defend claims. Okay, let's mosey on down. So not only will you be answering discussion questions that we have provided for you, you will create your own wildcard question. Create one wildcard question you have about the text that is not mentioned in our discussion questions that I have listed. This question cannot just be yes, no, but it has to be open enough that it prompts a wide range of answers, options, and points of view from your classmates. I want you to attempt to answer your own wildcard question using evidence from the text, of course, and be able to defend your claim. Great. Step 3 is that seminar itself. So please attend. Be prepared to discuss all of the discussion questions. Your class will meet through Zoom on Thursday. Now, my class in particular, please take a look at your time. I have to change the times a little bit because we're going to use a whole hour instead of a half hour for this Zoom discussion. So that will be on your calendar next week, and I will send it out through a message. But make sure ahead of class start that you've looked and you have your login and your password all ready to go so we can start that discussion on time. This should be really fun. I know you all have had done this in the past. I'm kind of new to the Socratic seminar discussion, but it'll be a good time. So email us if you have any questions, and if not, we will see you at the seminar.